Are you still using traditional methods for passive ad impressions? Interactive ads offer greater opportunities. Encourage users to engage with your ads and share them on social media. For event suppliers solutions, these solutions are perfect for event rentals and brand activations. Customizable interactive games and branded experiences add a unique, engaging touch to every event. The important thing is that you can do it all yourself, without a programmer. Easily insert your ads and brand logos into the game with just a few simple steps. For exhibition designers solutions, it is ideal for driving traffic to exhibition booths. Interactive displays add energy to any showcase, from auto shows to branded experiences, capturing attention and inspiring engagement. Bring any creative vision to life, whether through content, interaction, or immersive installations. You just come up with an idea and we'll give you a perfect solution. For public areas and outdoor solutions. Perfect for public areas and outdoor events. Interactive installations create memorable experiences that captivate passersby and draw people in. From outdoor billboards to ads games, every setup can inspire exploration and encourage participation, making public spaces more vibrant and engaging. Looking for interactive solutions? Cleaner offers over 10 years of expertise in interactive products. Whether you need a ready-made solution or a custom service, we've got you covered.